Solution 1, uninstall your Roblox and reinstall again. But do it correctly so it fixes the error. Now I will show you how to uninstall Roblox correctly. First open Start and type Run. Type up data and press OK. Open local folder. Delete Roblox folder. Now do it again. Open Run. Type %temp%. Delete Roblox folder. Now delete Roblox in my computer. For that, open Start and type Roblox. Click on Uninstall. Select Roblox and click on Uninstall. Now we done all the steps. Now you can install Roblox on your computer by any browser you want. Solution 2. Now your problem should be fixed. Guys, please like and subscribe my channel.